Assalamu alaikum. My name is Safina Mahmood and I am from TNS Beacon House, Lahore. Pakistan is not just a piece of land on a map. It is my pride, my home. Pakistan has achieved many successes, but in the field of education, social issues, there are some mountains yet to be scaled. Education is a foundation upon which you can eradicate so many evils that plague our society. Creating awareness for the importance of education for both sexes should be mandatory, not just to schools, but also be reinforced through social media and even through the parliament. Uniting to work as one for the educational betterment should be the primary driving force of every institution. The education sector, whether private or public, should induct teaching the Constitution of Pakistan in its curriculum. Mr. Speaker, our Constitution is not only a set of laws, it is the very fabric upon which our nation stands. Physical training was a mandatory part of schooling once, where students were not having gadgets, but in fact were a part of a system whereupon horse riding, cricket, hockey, etc. were a part of school. This would encourage interactions among the students as well as positive health benefits for the students involved. Lastly, I would like to touch upon women's rights in this forum, especially the inclusion of women among the most prominent ranks of this country's politics, armed forces, and bureaucracy. We have three wondrous examples of this. Mohtarma Shahid Benazir Bhutto, the first female Prime Minister of Pakistan, but also of Asia. Lieutenant General Negar, the first three-star general to have reached his peak. Our Honorable Fahmida Mirza Bibi, the first female Speaker of the National Assembly. We are a young nation, but I envision that inshallah on our 100th year Independence Day, we will be among the greatest nations of the world, as I can see a bright, successful future for this wonderful country of ours. I will end this note that has been an honor to have stood before you, Mr. Speaker, and all these distinguished parliamentarians. May Pakistan prosper as always. Ameen. Pakistan Zindabad.